Well, Montgomery County Public School students that were enrolled in the district's virtual learning program claim they're not receiving adequate support from the school district.
It was announced earlier this year that the virtual learning program was cut because of funding. DC News Now's Kevon Dupree covers Montgomery County for us, and he spoke with parents who say they're frustrated.
The Montgomery Virtual Academy started during the pandemic and was discontinued in June due to budget cuts. Several families whose students were enrolled in MVA say they feel MCPS hasn't done enough to support them so far this school year. An MCPS spokesperson tells me a letter was sent out by Superintendent Dr. Thomas Taylor to MVA families over the summer. The letter informed them about the home and hospital teaching program that is available for students who qualify during the first marking period. One parent says she and others ran into issues with that process.
The counselors didn't want to talk. The counselors were not willing to submit the forms because the counselors decided that these students didn't have qualifications to be in HHT.
Charmaine Parsad's family did encounter issues. Her son's HHT application was denied, and he's currently not enrolled in school.
MCPS is just searching for reasons for denying the kids a virtual education so that they can force them back into school, and they do not care what the consequences are.
In Taylor's letter to MVA families, he mentions a new hybrid program they've proposed to begin in November. It's expected to be more in-depth than HHT, but some parents aren't convinced the new program will be effective or even happen at all.
They're talking about it a lot, but until we actually see it, and we see students actually being accepted into it, most of us don't believe that it's actually going to happen. And those that do believe it's going to happen, we know even if it does happen, it's not going to be anywhere near what the MVA was.
MCPS spokesperson Liliana Lopez says they're open to hearing from MVA families. She encourages them to reach out with any concerns they may have. Reporting in Rockville, I'm Kevon Dupree, DC News Now.